Hello and welcome to New Parents in Training. So today we got a 12 pack of dust bag that was sent to us by Not Duty. So this is a generic bag for iRobot machines. So any of the iRobot that with a dustbin, this should fit. Even though on the description it didn't mention anything about a JA Plus, but I believe that is compatible as well. Just because the JA Plus is only sold in Costco, the J7 Plus is actually the alternative that's not being sold in Costco. But anyway, we do have the J7 Plus and J8 Plus. So we're gonna try to put this dust bag in them to see if they will fit. Well, first we're gonna open them up and compare this to the actual iRobot dust bag. Alright, so that's the generic bag. They also have this locking mechanism. So once you pull this bag out from the dustbin, this will lock in place so none of the dust will come out. So let's compare this to the actual iRobot. Alright, so here is side by side. As far as I can tell, aside from the words iRobot, there's not much of difference. Like there's a little cutoff point down here, but that's about it. So both of them, they have this locking mechanism. Right, so yeah. And the size of it, I don't know, they're about the same. And look at the material. Yeah, I can't tell any difference. Anyway, so here they are side by side. Let me put the generic one into the machine and see if they will fit. Alright, so here are the machines side by side, the J7 Plus and the JA Plus. Okay, I know this is kind of silly. We have to label them in order to tell them apart. Otherwise, yeah, they essentially are identical. It's just that the JA Plus sold in Costco and J7 Plus sold everywhere else. Now the J8 Plus, the only difference is has longer battery life, plus they have a little extra dust bag. That's about it. So anyway, let me open this up. So essentially, if they are identical, then the dust bag should be interchangeable. So I have here two of these generic bags. So let's try to put them in. And it fits. And it fits as well. So yeah, it's really simple, and also because it's generic, it's much cheaper than the name brand, and so you can get a pack of 12 and it still costs less than the 3 bags that they sold on iRobot.